What if I told you that turning 60 isn't the end of your strength, it's the beginning of it? That your body can still build muscle, move with power, and feel alive again? All with the right foods, a little movement, and the right mindset? Stay with me, because today we're proving that age doesn't slow you down. It simply asks you to rise stronger. They say age is just a number, but once you cross 60, you begin to understand that those numbers also hold stories. Stories of everything you've lived through, every joy, every challenge, every quiet victory. And yet, for many people, 60 feels like a turning point. You wake up one morning, look in the mirror and wonder, can I still be strong? Can I still build muscle, have energy, feel powerful again? The answer is not only yes, it's a resounding, life-changing yes. Because strength doesn't fade with age. It simply asks you to rediscover it in new ways. Your body at 60 or beyond is not broken. It's wise. It remembers every step, every heartbeat, every laugh, every hug. It's more intelligent now than it ever was. And when you start giving it what it truly needs, the right food, the right movement, and the right mindset, it begins to respond like an old friend, waking up, stretching, and saying, "Ah, there you are." Let's do this again. Building muscle after 60 is not about vanity. It's about vitality. It's about walking with confidence, lifting your grandchildren without strain, getting out of bed with ease, and living with the kind of energy that surprises everyone around you. It's about independence, the kind of independence that lets you keep doing what you love on your own terms. And believe me, it's possible. The secret lies not in extreme workouts or impossible diets, but in simple, consistent habits, and in the foods you choose to put on your plate every day. Imagine your body as a masterpiece in progress. Every bite you take, every stretch, every breath adds a new stroke to that masterpiece. You can rebuild muscle, regain strength, and restore energy simply by fueling your body the way nature intended. Let's talk about the foods that make that possible, the kind of foods that whisper to your body, grow, heal, thrive. When you think about muscle, the first thing that comes to mind is protein. And it's true, protein is the building block of strength. But not all protein is created equal, and not all bodies process it the same way. As you age, your body becomes a bit more resistant to building muscle. You need more high-quality protein, spread throughout the day, to spark that rebuilding process. Think of foods like eggs, nature's perfect protein. Each egg holds amino acids your muscles crave, wrapped in nutrients that help your cells recover and stay young. A simple breakfast of 2 eggs, maybe with a little spinach or avocado, can light a fire in your metabolism that burns all day long. Then there's salmon, the ocean's gift to muscle health. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids, salmon doesn't just build muscle, it keeps inflammation at bay, allowing your joints to move freely and your muscles to recover faster. Imagine a tender piece of salmon grilled with lemon and herbs, served alongside colourful vegetables. That's not just a meal. That's medicine on a plate. But strength isn't built by protein alone. Your body also needs the right kinds of carbohydrates, the steady-burning fuel that keeps your muscles moving. Sweet potatoes, oats, quinoa, these aren't just healthy carbs, they're energy you can trust. They keep your blood sugar steady and give your muscles the endurance to stay strong through every movement. And don't underestimate the power of leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and broccoli may seem simple, but they carry magnesium, calcium, and antioxidants that keep your muscles contracting smoothly, your bones dense, and your heart beating strong. When you fill half your plate with greens, you're feeding the foundation of youth that lives inside you. Then there are nuts, almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, small, crunchy treasures full of healthy fats and protein. Just a handful a day can help you recover faster, stabilize hormones, and fuel your brain. Muscle strength is not just physical, it's also mental. When your brain feels clear, when your mood feels balanced, your motivation grows. You feel ready to move, to push a little harder, to live a little fuller. Let's not forget about dairy, or its alternatives. Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or even plant-based yogurts fortified with calcium and vitamin D can do wonders. They rebuild tissues, support bone strength, and keep your digestive system balanced. A bowl of Greek yogurt with berries in the morning is not just a snack, it's a signal to your body that you care about recovery, that you're serious about thriving. Speaking of berries, these little bursts of colour are your best friends against aging. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, packed with antioxidants that fight free radicals, They keep your cells young, your immune system sharp, and your recovery quick. Imagine a life where your body feels light, strong, and free from fatigue. Berries help make that happen. Lean meats like chicken or turkey. Tofu for plant-based eaters, and beans. Oh, don't underestimate beans. Lentils, black beans, chickpeas. They're humble but powerful. They provide protein, fibre, iron, everything your muscles need to stay active and healthy, and hydration. Water is often the forgotten nutrient. After 60, your thirst mechanism dulls. You might not feel thirsty, but your muscles do. They need water to contract, to heal, to move. Drink throughout the day, even if you're not thirsty. Add lemon or cucumber if you like. Make it enjoyable. Your body will thank you. But here's the truth. No single food can do the job alone. It's the orchestra of all these nutrients, playing together in harmony, that rebuilds your strength. It's the pattern, the rhythm, of how you eat, move, rest and think that determines how youthful your body feels. So, let's talk about movement. You don't need to lift heavy weights or run marathons. Gentle, consistent exercise, walking, resistance bands, light dumbbells, yoga, tai chi, these are the keys to longevity. When you pair these movements with good nutrition, magic happens. Your muscles respond, your metabolism wakes up, your confidence returns. Every step, every repetition, every stretch tells your body, I'm still here, I'm still capable. And that's the heart of this journey, capability. Strength at 60 is not about looking young. It's about feeling alive. It's about sitting down and standing up without struggle. It's about dancing again, hiking again, laughing again without pain. It's about realizing that your body isn't finished. It's simply entering a wiser, deeper chapter of life. To build muscle after 60, consistency matters more than intensity. Think of it as tending a garden. You water it daily, give it sunlight, protect it from harsh winds, and it flourishes. Your body is the same. Feed it wisely, move it gently, rest it deeply, and it will reward you with vitality. Rest. Let's not forget that. Sleep is when your body repairs, rebuilds, and resets. Without proper rest, even the best food can't do its job. Create a nightly ritual. Dim the lights, turn off screens, take a few deep breaths. Let your body know it's time to heal, and above all, your mindset. You see, your body listens to your thoughts. If you say, I'm too old, it believes you. But if you say, I'm ready to get stronger, it believes that too. The difference between decline and renewal often begins in the mind. You are not past your prime. You are entering a stage where wisdom meets strength, where experience meets purpose. Every healthy meal, every stretch, every walk outside is a declaration. I'm not giving up on myself. When you fill your plate with vibrant foods, eggs, salmon, beans, nuts, greens, berries, yogurt, whole grains, and lean meats, you're not just eating. You're rebuilding. You're choosing life over limitation. You're proving that the best years of health can begin not before 60, but after it. Your body might move a little slower now, but it moves with more meaning. Each day is a chance to fuel it with gratitude. When you prepare a wholesome meal, when you lift your arms for a stretch, when you smile at the reflection in the mirror, you're living proof that strength doesn't belong to the young. It belongs to the willing. So start today. Not tomorrow, not next Monday, today. Take that first walk. Make that colourful meal. Drink that glass of water. And as you do, remind yourself that every step, every bite, every breath is shaping a stronger, happier you. This journey isn't about perfection. It's about presence, about showing up for yourself day after day, because you deserve to feel good in your own skin. You deserve to wake up each morning with energy and purpose. The truth is, your body still listens. It still heals. It still adapts. It still loves you back when you treat it kindly. Feed it the foods that serve it, move it with love, rest it with care, and watch how it rewards you, not just with muscle, but with joy, clarity, and peace. Because being over 60 doesn't mean the end of your strength, it means the beginning of your mastery. You've learned patience, discipline, and gratitude. Now it's time to apply that wisdom to your health. The next time someone tells you that muscle building is only for the young, smile gently and show them your progress. Because strength is not measured by age, but by spirit. And your spirit, my friend, is timeless.